Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Again, welcome to the next part of video in the Playwright series. Okay, so in this video, we are going to see how to take a screenshot. Okay, in the past videos, we saw how to capture a video, how to convert a web page into a PDF. We saw. Now we'll see how to take a screenshot in this particular video. Okay, so let me create a new class now. I'll take screenshot sample. Okay, now let me go and add the main method now. Let me initialize my playwright as we are doing in the past videos. Playwright.create. Okay, then playwright, I am launching the browser. Chromium, launch new browser type. And then launch options, set channel, and set headless false, and set channel as Chrome. Okay, so I'm launching the browser with the Chrome browser with this help of this line. Okay, now let me navigate to the new page with the help of this reference launch dot new page. Okay, so this we are doing for almost 12 videos now. Okay, now after that new page dot navigate to the particular URL, whatever URL we want to automate. Okay, let me take an Amazon.in for this video. Let me paste it. Now I'll take the screenshot of the particular Amazon.search page. Okay, so let me go new page dot. Okay, I'll add the method name, right, screenshot. Okay, then new screenshot options. That's I should use the method called the screenshot options dot set. We should set the path of the right image where we are going to save the image, take this image. Okay, so we are using only one simple line, that is screenshot, which is used to capture, and we are going to give screenshot options dot set path. One minute. Screenshot options dot we have to import the screenshot options package dot set path. Okay, then you have to give the path of the file where the screenshot needs to be taken. Okay, then the path of the file Amazon search page, Amazon page. Okay, dot png, what is extension we need. Okay, let me give a semicolon there. Then I'm going to run this code. Okay, so it's going to save in the project folder in the under the screenshot page, right, in the project folder in the Amazon page dot png. Okay, Let me first run the script. Script is executing 1 minute. Right, the browser launched, URL launched. Okay, now let's me go to the folder. Let me refresh the project. Okay, I can see a folder, right? Screenshot page. Under that I can see Amazon page. Okay, so this is how we need to take capture screenshot in the Playwright. Okay, normally in Selenium we give, right, take screenshot interface, right, screenshot equal new screenshot output type we give, right? No need to give two lines there. We give only one line, that is screenshot method and new screenshot options and set path and the full path. Okay, that is how we should take. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Okay, so continue to right, watch this series. We are going to soon right, create a framework from the scratch, but not in Java. We are going to plan in JavaScript, since JavaScript is also very demanding. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye.